Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 26th, 2022, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. Tectonic with 4 stars, and they call it in Dutch Cyber block. And we have tectonic with 1 star and 1 binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Those are the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars, and the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. Yes. Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 4911. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, the 3 stars, has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 twos. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 threes. Alright. We have here 1, 2 fours. 1, 2, 3 fives. 1, 2 sixes. 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens. 2 eights and no nines. No nines. So the 3, the 7, and the so the 2, the 3, and the 7s are. Oh, we have 1 9. Yeah, the 2, the 3, and the 7 are a majority. So let me see which number I can pick first. 7. 7, 7. Okay. Two. Okay. Two. Yeah. So we have this line. Okay. Yeah, let me start with the 2 then. Alright. Let me start with the 2. Can I start with the 2? Yeah. 2. 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here or there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Well, and now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 3 then? The 3 in this column, first column, the 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3. I cannot continue with the 3, I believe. Yeah, I need to wait. We go back to the 2 then. In this column, We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there in this column. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the first row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here or there. 2 boxes left, yes. Let me see the 3. No, let me start with 7 then. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 7. Cannot continue with the 7. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes here, and 8 in this column. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Right. Then 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, and look, we have 1 and 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9, I believe. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 6, 9. Yes, 1, 6, 9. Okay. Alright. 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle row. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be here. Then for the 9. Let me see. One, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. 1, okay. 1. Cannot continue with 1. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this row. Oh wait, we have a 4 and an 8 in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. So one digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright, 6, 6. 8 and a 4. Interesting. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 4 and a 2, 4 and a 2. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Okay. Alright. And England has scored the third one. Yes. Women soccer 3-0. 3-0, yes. Okay, let me continue. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So one digit left in this column for number 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in the first row, the 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. Interesting. Well, the 3. No. Yeah, the 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 2, 3, 7 are in majority. 2, 3, 7. Let me see for the 7 then. Well, I cannot. Well, we have a 7. Okay, 7. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the last row. So no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Well, we have 4 missing numbers, but one of the missing number in the third column is the number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. Here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in this box. So one box left for the 6 in the third column should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. Well, 6 and the 4. Need a 4, need a 4, need a 4, need a 4. Okay. 8, 4, and then 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, no, need to place left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the last row, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright, 1. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, no, only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers yeah, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Wait. 1 box left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the no, the 8 and the 4. I missed the 8 and the 4 here. Mark those 2 boxes with the 8 and the 4. Now we have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 1. Now we have a 1 here in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and an 8, 6 and an 8. We have an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Well, I'm very pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No, it's actually a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye.